how to use mobile device from your laptop. So first thing first, what you can do is just head over to your search bar and simply search in for phone link application, which is the application to perform this action. So basically, once you're inside here, just tap or choose your device to get started. You can do this with both of the devices, that is iPhone or Android. So in this case, I'm using Android, so I'll simply open my Android device, and you just need to scan this QR code using your mobile phone. So let me just quickly scan this by using the link to Windows application on my mobile device. So once you scan it from your mobile device, you should be getting 6-digit code displayed over here. So you just have to enter it on your mobile device, and once you enter it on your mobile device, you just need to follow along with the on-screen instructions shown on your mobile device. So let me just quickly do that. So once you follow along instruction by simply continuing on your mobile device, it might need some permission, so you just have to allow everything from your mobile device, such as accessing your mobile files, videos, galleries, etc. And once you do all of that, just click on continue, and just like that, you have successfully connected your phone from your PC. And now to get started, you can just tap on the get started button over here, and you can see there is a small phone icon on the left side of your bar, and you can just tap on that particular bar or mobile device, which will load up the mobile screen, and you can basically start using your mobile device from your laptop just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.